Yo, so guys, today I'm gonna teach you guys about candlesticks, and what you see right here is called a Japanese candlestick chart. We have different type of charts. We have a line chart, we have a bar chart, we have a Kanashi chart, and we also but today we have a lot of chart. We have a lot of like type of chart type, but today we're going to be focusing on Japanese candlesticks. So um Japanese candlestick is very similar to the bar chart, the one I showed you earlier. Why? It is easier to read. It gives you clue on what might be happen next, as you can distort the pattern. So what I'm going to be showing you next is how to read Japanese candlestick. How to read candlesticks. Candles refers always to a given time frame. Every interval of the time frame, a new candle is created. The difference between the opening price and the closing price is called the body of the candle. The highest price and lowest price in relation to the candle body forms a shadow or a wick of the candle. I'm going to be breaking this down as we go. So this is the lowest price, this is the opening price, this is the closing price, and this is the highest price. Just have a mental screenshot of this, right? Have a mental screenshot of this, and this is a bearish candlestick. This is bearish Japanese this is a bearish Japanese candlestick. I'm going to show you guys the bullish Japanese candlesticks. So just like the bearish Japanese candlesticks, we have the lowest points, the opening, the closing price, the opening price, and the highest price. As you can see, the difference between the bullish Japanese candlesticks and the bearish Japanese candlestick is that on the bullish one, you open at the low and close high. Sorry about that. You open at the low and close high. On the bearish Japanese candlesticks, you open at the high and close lower. Candlesticks consist of the open, high, low, and close. Sometimes they call it the OHLC. This gives you insight on how prices behave within the given time frame. The body of a candle represents where have been the most interest, like where the body of this candle represents where have been the most interest. The wicks, which is the slowest and the highest. Wick are the visualization of where the price attempted to go, but failed to remain there, like this. You can call it rejection, you can call it shadow, you can call it wick. It just shows that the price get to this point in the chart and fails to remain and fails to continue. So that's what they call a wick, and you can call that a shadow, which are the lowest price of the candle and the highest price of the candle. I hope you guys get an insight of what I'm trying to pass to you. I hope you guys understand. If you want to know more about candlesticks, you're probably going to DM me. I'm going to send you some books and where you can read and understand what candlesticks is, what is candlestick chart pattern, how you can identify chart pattern using candlesticks. See you guys in the next one.